Hello, mzansi, it's a gossip girl. So, Kositwala is back in the country, and yesterday she attended an event. They were celebrating Happy Africa Day. And from the Big Brother house, I spotted Kositwala, Big Brother Titans, Big Brother Season 4. I spotted Jaridi. And then from the Big Brother Mzansi Season 3, I also spotted a BU. And happy belated birthday to BU. He was celebrating his birthday yesterday. I know he's in his 30s. I don't know how old is he. But anyway, let's get back to the main event. The likes of Happy Simelani as well was there. You know, Her Majesty rocking this beautiful, gorgeous red dress. Happy Simelani, I'm a levels, with her. It's class, it's levels, she does not play when coming to themes, and I liked that dress, it had this feathers and beads as well as Kosi. Kosi was just simple and classic, plus Kosi's body is just giving. So she dresses her body according to, she dresses her, all her outfits according to her body, so she knows how to dress her body. So everything that she puts on looks so nice and classic. That's something about Kosi. So because it was Africa, they were celebrating Africa Day. I think that is why maybe they had reps are like in Gele. So yeah, Mzansi, they were just looking gorgeous. From the A-listers, I also saw Yaya, looking classic and gorgeous. Yaya as well, when coming to fashion, she does not make a mistake. Not even once. Like, she understands. She understands the fashion. Everything that she does, it's always spot on, perfect to the T. That's something that I love about Yaya. So, Mzansi, the event was giving. It was lovely. All of the housemates from the Big Brother franchise, they look so beautiful, so handsome. So was Jarid. I loved his outfit. And BU and Jarid, with them packs, six packing on. That is why maybe they would get along so well. But anyway, Mzansi, this is just how the event went. I'm talking over these videos because there is music in the background. If it wasn't for that, I would, I would show you everything, and yeah, so that you can just get the feel of the event. But unfortunately, I can't. There's restrictions to these type of things, and I have a boss. Anyway, Mzansi, till I see you again, please do not forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload any videos, you guys do not miss anything. Bye bye, Mzansi.